rainforests of Sumatra. This female orangutan is 42 years old. Her third child, a 6-year-old daughter, is still with her. Orangs look after their children for longer than any other primate except ourselves. It will take her 9 years to teach her youngster everything she needs to know about this complex treetop world. She must learn how to collect ants and termites. How to identify at least 200 kinds of edible plants and how to avoid the poisonous ones. And how to judge when fruit, like this durian, has ripened to perfection. A child must be able to judge which branches can carry her weight. And which insect nests are safe to raid. Building up a complete guide to the foods of the forest is a long process. Her lessons, of course, aren't limited to food. There are other crucial skills she must learn if she is to survive in the treetops. Building a secure nest in which to spend the night, for example, takes years of practice. And this is, of course, a rainforest. So all orangs must learn how to make a shelter early in their lives. It rains almost every day, so this 6-year-old has already had plenty of practice. She might live to be 50 years old, and if she too becomes a mother, she'll pass on. A mother black bear is looking for something suitable for her cubs. This is their first ever trip to the seaside. In a few hours, the tide will return. So they must keep up with Mum. Here's something tasty. Crabs. Big crabs can give a nasty nip, so it's best to start off with smaller ones. During spring, 3/4 of the bear's food comes from the beach. But now, this family is not alone. An adult male. He is double her size, and they're in his territory. The cubs know that call. It's time to head for safety. Bears have poor eyesight, but their sense of smell is acute, and the male has detected intruders. He knows exactly which tree they are in. If the cubs stay up there, they'll be safe, but they're losing precious feeding time. For now, he's content to leave his scent mark. A warning note for trespassers. The family moves on. For the cubs, lunch today will have to be a takeaway. The tide comes in, and within minutes, feeding time is over for another day.
China has some of the world's most abundant and diverse bamboo forests. In the giant panda park, they are critically important, supplying 99% of the panda's diet, making it the perfect place for a mother to raise her cub. With each passing day, this youngster is being prepared for adult life. Today's lesson is how to eat bamboo. It's not as simple as it sounds. It must be fresh. The cane must be split perfectly. The most digestible part is inside. The enormous jaw muscles needed to crunch bamboo are what give pandas their characteristic round faces. The youngster practices on a stick. As an adult, she'll eat 40 kilograms of bamboo a day. Pandas evolved with the carnivore's digestive system, which means they're born lacking the key plant processing gut bacteria they need. During weaning, a seemingly affectionate exchange between mother and baby may be a way of passing her cub crucial bamboo digesting microbes through her saliva. When the cub is weaned at around 18 months, they will separate, and the youngster must go it